Hi everyone, my name is Khalid Muhammad. Welcome to my creative teaching video for chapter 5, metaphysics. In this video I'll explain the meaning of metaphysics and its main concepts. What's metaphysics actually? Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy that studies the nature of reality. It focuses on things that science cannot fully observe or measure. It asks deep questions like, what's real? Does the soul exist? What's the purpose of life? Metaphysics tries to explore the truth behind existence, not only the physical world, but also the spiritual, mental, and unseen aspects of reality. There are two main divisions of metaphysics. First, ontology, the study of existence, like studying of the existence, something that's feelable or you can feel it. It asks questions like, what exists? Are ideas real or only objects real? For example, like, is this pain real or like it's just something that we cannot feel? Three important viewpoints are idealism, materialism, and dualism. First, dualism is reality based on ideas. Practically Saints, who is a scientist, to be is to be perceived. Materialism, only physical matter is real. Like a book or a pen is physical thing, we can touch it, like that's materialism. The physical thing is the only real one. Dualism, mind and body are two separate things, but connected together again at the same time. The second one is cosmology, and that's the study of universe. It asks questions like, or explores the origin of universe, the existence of God, natural laws, time, space, and cause effects. And let's come to key concepts in metaphysics. First, appearance versus reality. Sometimes things look real, but the truth might be different. Example, illusions, dreams, or shadows. Metaphysics asks what's the real truth behind what we see. Okay, second, free will versus determinism. Do humans make their own choices freely, or are our actions already shaped by force like destiny, genetics, or environment? 3. Mind-body problem. Is the mind just the brain, or it's something more? Some believe that mind is physical. Others believe it comes from the soul. First is identity and change. If something changes, it is still the same thing. Life like the shapes of spaces. If every part is replaced, it is still the same shape. Causality, or cause and effect. Every event must have a cause. Like everything, that means everything must have a reason. Metaphysics studies how and why things happen. 6. Time and space. What's time? Time is real or just a human idea? These questions belong to metaphysics. These concepts show how metaphysics touches many parts of life, not only philosophy. Why metaphysics is important? To me, metaphysics is important because it helps us understand who we are. It makes us question the meaning of life. It teaches us to think deeply and critically. It connects science, religion, and philosophy. It encourages us to find our own purpose. Metaphysics guides us to look beyond the surface to reflect on our existence as human beings. Why the above pictures considered metaphysics for some individuals? The picture is considered metaphysics because it deals directly with the deepest question about life and what happens after we die. It means about death. Both sides of the picture show funeral rituals from different religions. On the left is Christianity, on the right is Islam. Although the rituals are different, they represent the same metaphysical questions. What's the meaning of death? Does the soul continue to exist after the body is gone? Is there an afterlife? What happens to the person's identity when they die? Is there a spiritual beyond the physical world? These questions cannot be answered by science. Science can't answer those questions. They belong to metaphysics because they explore the existence, the soul, the unseen, and the purpose of life. For some individuals, this picture reflects the belief that death is not the end, but a transition to another form of existence. Others may see it as a part of natural cycle of life. Therefore, this picture metaphysical because this picture is metaphysical because it makes people think about the real beyond physical death, something every culture and religion tries to understand. Why do individuals view this metaphysical picture differently? People view this picture differently because beliefs about life, death depend on religion, culture, and personal experience. For example, Muslims may see the burial as return to Allah and the beginning of the soul's journey in afterlife or in Akhirah. A Christian may see the coven prayer as part of preparing the soul for heaven. Non-religious people may see the picture as a natural thing or natural cycle, or even with no spiritual meaning. Natural thing with no spiritual meaning. Some who lost loved ones or beloved ones may see it as emotional, thinking about memories, grief, and hope. Kind of like emotions they're feeling at that moment is kind of something like a unique one. So each person interprets the picture based on their worldview. This is why metaphysics is personal. Everyone has different beliefs about what happens after death. Overall, or in my conclusion, metaphysics is a branch of philosophy that helps us understand the deepest questions about existence, reality, and the universe. The picture of two different funeral rituals shows us that death is not only a physical event, but also a metaphysical experience that every culture interprets differently. Through metaphysics we learn that life and death have meanings beyond the physical world. Humans are always searching for purpose or for reason. Beliefs about the souls, the life afterlife, and the destiny are central to many religions like Islam, Christianity, and others. Different people understand reality based on their values, culture, and spiritual beliefs. This picture reminds us that even though we come from different religions and traditions, we all share the same human question. Where do we come from? Why are we here? And what happens after we die? Metaphysics gives us the space to explore these questions and to reflect what it truly means to exist. That's all. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great and wonderful day. How we explore reality, existence, and the deeper nature of life.